Welcome to Viking Termite and Pest Control's CustomerConnect portal. To access the CustomerConnect portal, navigate to vikingpest.com on your web browser. Once you are on the Viking Pest homepage, click Customer Login in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. A new tab will open where you may log in to your CustomerConnect portal. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your CustomerConnect portal, and a reset password link will be emailed to you. If you do not currently have access to the online CustomerConnect portal, you may click the Sign Up option in the lower middle portion of the screen. To sign up for the CustomerConnect portal, you do need to know a few pieces of information regarding your account. You may enter the phone number, email address, or account number associated with the billing side of your account. If you are unsure of the email, phone number, or account number associated with the billing side of your account, please contact our Customer Loyalty Center. You may email us at customerservice@vikingpest.com or call us at 1-800-618-BUGS. That's 1-800-618-2847. For customers with more than one location associated to the billing email address in their account, when you first log on to the CustomerConnect portal, you will be prompted to select which location you would like to view. Once you log into the customer portal, you will be able to toggle between your locations. Toggling between your multiple locations will depend on how your locations are invoiced. For customers whose locations are invoiced together on one billing statement, you will be able to toggle between your multiple locations in the upper right-hand portion of the dashboard screen. Select the Location drop-down menu, and you will be able to toggle between your multiple locations. For customers whose multiple locations are invoiced separately, select the Menu option in the upper left portion of the screen. Just under the current location is a Switch Accounts link, which will allow you to toggle between your multiple locations. When you first sign in to the CustomerConnect portal, you will be on the dashboard screen. The dashboard screen will hold high-level information regarding your account. In the upper portion of the dashboard screen, on the left-hand side, you will see your current account balance, including any pending payments or open credits. On the right-hand portion of the dashboard screen is a rotating section where Viking Termite and Pest Control can provide further information about exciting new service options. In the lower left portion of the dashboard screen, you will see your most recent completed service, including the date the service was completed and the name of the servicing technician. On the lower right-hand portion of the dashboard screen is a quick link to the Contact Us section, where you may submit an email to our Customer Loyalty Center with questions regarding your account or to request additional service. To access your profile, click the menu option in the upper left-hand portion of the dashboard screen. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile. The My Profile section of the CustomerConnect portal will show information regarding your account, including your name, billing address, and billing account number. If you would like to make any changes to the name, email, or phone number associated with your account, please contact our Customer Loyalty Center. You may email us at customerservice@vikingpest.com or call us at 1-800-618-BUGS. That's 1-800-618-2847. From the My Profile section, you may also add or remove methods of payment from your account. To view your methods of payment, click the plus icon next to Your Payment Methods. Here, if you would like to remove any current methods of payment, click the red trash can icon next to the card you wish to remove. To add a new payment method, click Add New Payment Method. Please be advised, when adding a new payment method to your account, selecting Use this card to auto-bill on all locations will add this payment method to auto-pay for all your current recurring services. You may toggle auto-pay on and off for specific services in the My Services section of the customer portal. For more information regarding payments and billing on the CustomerConnect portal, please visit vikingpest.com and navigate to the Resources section to view our full playlist of CustomerConnect portal videos. Or stay tuned to the very end of this video for a quick link to our playlist and specifically our payments and billing video. Thank you for being a Viking Termite and Pest Control customer. For more information on payments and billing, please click here. To access a playlist of all CustomerConnect portal videos, please click here.